Nataraj Sharma was born in 1958 in Mysore. He grew up in Egypt, England, and Zambia. He studied applied art at the Faculty of Fine Arts at Maharaja Sayajirao University, Baroda, graduating in 1982. Strongly influenced by socio-political happenings across the world and his own migrations, his art Sharma's reflects a multiplicity of influences, not just in its content but also in its form. Sharma has dabbled with equal ease and success in varied styles of painting, digital art and installations. Heavily influenced by pop art and its stalwart Andy Warhol, Dadaism, and Marcel Duchamp, and the Indian progressive artists, Sharma's art visual vocabulary emerged as strongly individualized and strikingly bold. Sharma moves swiftly and convincingly between figure studies, portraits and landscapes in oil and acrylic on canvas, and large-scale installations. His recent works explore urban landscapes and industrial geometry, playing and teasing the forms that they take, stretching their boundaries, and depicting civilization through empty factories and battered machines. Sharma was awarded the Sotheby's Award for Best Emerging Artist in 1993, and participated in an artist residency program at the Singapore Tyler Print Institute, Singapore, in 2006.